Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Binance Word of the Day. This engaging game is a fantastic way to expand your knowledge of cryptocurrency and Web3 terminology. Each week, a new theme is introduced, challenging you to guess crypto-related words. By successfully solving these daily puzzles, you can earn valuable Binance points, which are redeemable for various exciting rewards within the Binance ecosystem. To start playing, simply open your Binance app, tap More, and then navigate to the Gift and Campaign section to find Word of the Day. Each day, you'll face a new crypto-themed word puzzle ranging from 3 to 8 letters in length. You'll have 6 attempts to guess the correct word. After each guess, the letter tiles provide color-coded feedback. Green means the letter is correct, and in the right spot. Yellow indicates the letter is in the word but in the wrong position, and black means the letter is not part of the word at all. You can even unlock a second game daily by sharing a Binance news article on social media. The real excitement comes with the rewards. If you successfully guess 5 correct words within a single activity period, which typically lasts 1 week, you become eligible to share in a substantial pool of up to 500,000 Binance points. These points are incredibly versatile. You can redeem them for valuable trading fee discounts, cashback, or even token vouchers through the Binance Rewards Hub. Remember, longer words often yield higher points, so challenging yourself with more complex terms can be quite rewarding. To maximize your chances of winning, always pay close attention to the weekly theme. It provides crucial clues for the words. Strategically use the color-coded feedback after each guess to eliminate incorrect letters and pinpoint correct ones. Familiarize yourself with common cryptocurrency and Web3 terminology, as the words are always related to the crypto space. And for an extra edge, many communities share daily answers, which can be a helpful resource to ensure you maintain your winning streak and earn those valuable Binance points.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.